Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited coins on GoodNovel, guys. So this is super cool. It's a new method, and this does not involve hacking or modding. We're just going to get a code to get our GoodNovel coins. So go to this website. It's called ogsnags.com, and once you're on the site, you're going to see all these different like apps and games that OG Snags has coupons for. So today we're doing GoodNovel. So we're going to go ahead and press get code. And as you can see, 71 people actually used it today. It says get unlimited coins on GoodNovel with these fantastic codes. So I'm going to go ahead and press show coupon code right here and wait for it to load. So once it loads, you just want to go ahead and press get full code, and it's going to load a new page, guys, where it asks you what you like about shopping at Amazon. You can pick any of these. So after you do that, guys, you need to enter your email address. Verify this because they will send the code to your email. Now, I already put it in, so I'm not going to do it again, but I want to show you guys, after you basically do that, what's going to happen is you're going to be asked to enter some information about yourself. This is totally normal, guys, as you can see right here, but obviously this is a very important part of the process. Now, another important part of the process comes afterwards with this deal page you'll probably end up seeing, where it says complete one deal to continue. And for instance, I have this Monopoly Go one coming up, which actually has a $1 cost. So I would just go ahead and complete that, and then I would earn my deal completion, and I would get my code for my GoodNovel free coins, which will be sent to the email address that you guys entered earlier in the video. So be sure to try this out, guys, because it actually works. It's super insane, and I ended up with so many GoodNovel coins. I don't know what to do with them, guys. So this is super crazy. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, and tell all your friends, guys.